Welcome to the Kings River. We're here with Tammy and Gary Egger, about to embark upon an amazing, yet another amazing adventure. Please stay tuned.
Uh-oh. This is the Kings River. It flows down from Kings Canyon National Park and offers a variety of popular section of Class 3 whitewater. Every year, commercial companies and private boaters like Gary and I invite friends and family to take advantage of this thrilling run.
Hey,
Are you ready to go rafting today?
I sure am. Hey, we're gonna hit 10 miles of holes, drops, waves, and all kinds of whitewater fun. What do you think?
Let's do it. I'm ready to get the boats ready. Are you?
Andy and Thea already at work. The challenge for the day. Getting the old wetsuit on. Encourage them on there, Aurora.
Okay, one last time. Are you ready?
We're ready.
All right, Kings River. You guys ready?
Oh yeah.
Ready to go for the long swim over the rocks? No.
I don't want to go
Wants to go through the waves. What is your biggest hope for today?
Not going in.
Not going in. All right. To be safe.
Oh, they're actually on time.
To be on time?
Wait, what?
Down in one piece.
Yep. Close up. Thank you. Forward 2. Getting better. Getting better. Nice. Back 2. And everyone turn around and just wave. This is a really cool shot right here. Thank you. Going into Fangtooth.
Fangtooth.
High five for Angel!
to our rafting adventure, we like to stop off at Mill Creek. Mill Creek is a tributary to the Kings River, and it's so beautiful. It's got a rock bar, beaches, and a little inlet for us to play around in. But Mill Creek is not the only exciting side adventure that you'll find on the Kings River.
Okay, YouTubers, check this out. This is so cool on the Kings River. Come along, come along. There's some Indian branding holes. I found 1, 2, 3, and 4 over there on this big, huge rock.
What do they use for?
Grinding stuff.
How do they do it?
They go. I don't know how they do it. We have a pretty good track record of keeping people in our boats, don't we? Are we?
We do? Yeah, unless you're around this guy.
Hey, wait a minute. You never know what could happen. There could be a problem. Somebody might need water.
Yeah, we'll see how many people stay in the boat during this episode.
Let's do it.
Woo! All right, Thea, we're right here. Stop. Thea. Somebody. Yeah! I have a lot of water. Did you? Oh. That was fun though. That was pretty darsy. Angel! Ah, shit. Keep swimming! Swim, swim, swim! All right, so you're gonna just sit in the water, feet up, and I'm gonna bring you to me. Hold on to the rope. Go downstream, downstream, downstream. Around the corner. There you go. And then come on up, hon. Woo, get some warm. Lay on the rock to your left. Yeah, Angel's first real swim. Go ahead and relax, honey. Oh, lay on your belly. High five! I gotta give you a high five for that. Oh my gosh. Swim! Nice, you got it, you're fine.
Huh?
You're fine now. Okay, hold it open,
Okay?
honey. Yeah, she's all right.
Stay back right here.
Forward! Let's push him out! Push him out! Uh-oh. Back! Back! Oh! You sure?
So hope to see you on this river.